Welcome to Mittler Law Live. My name is Laura Mittler. I practice family law and divorce law in New Haven, Connecticut. The segment today is on custody, the different types of custody, and it's for informational purposes only. If you need advice regarding custody of your children, I would advise you to always seek legal advice. Okay, so what really is custody? A lot of parents come into my office and want to know, oh, she wants custody, he wants custody. There's 4 different types of custody. There's a legal custody, sole legal custody, which means one parent has the sole decision making for that child or children. The other parent is really not involved. This is sort of extreme. It's usually when both parents cannot cooperate or co-parent their children, or one person has some psychological or addiction problems or violence problems. The other is joint legal custody. This is what happens most of the time. This is when both parents both jointly parent the children. The children will live with one parent and the other parent will participate in the major decisions, health, education, welfare of the children. And this is really good because both parents really participate in parenting the children. The other is shared custody. Shared custody means the child or children will be living with both parents about the same amount of time. That doesn't mean equally, but 3 days with one parent, 4 days with another parent, and the children really move back and forth between the households. This is really good when the parents get along, and the better the parents get along, the easier it is for the children to move back and forth and live with each parent. And the last is split custody. And split custody is a little tough, and that's when one child lives with one parent and the other child lives with the other parent. Or they split brothers and sisters, or depending on the particular situation. I found that this sometimes works when one child is a lot older or needs specific care by one parent, and the other child is either a lot younger or has specific needs for the other parent. But these are things that are looked at by the court. Now, as far as physical custody, the children in all of these different forms of custody will have one parent, which will be considered the custodial parent. In the sole custody, it will be just with that parent. So you can see this gets a little complicated. The courts have a lot of ways of looking as to which would be appropriate for the parents. So if there's a real concern, you should get an attorney. You may need an attorney for the minor children. You may need a guardian ad litem to help decide which would be the best. So hopefully that's helpful as an overview of the different custodies available in Connecticut. Until I see you again, I'll either see you here or I'll see you in court.